Hello friends, from this video we're gonna start learning programming, computer programming. Okay, so this is the introduction video. So what is a computer? Okay, so a computer, the word computer came from the word compute. Okay, so that means uh, the device which can help you compute anything uh, can be said as a computer. Okay, so nowadays we are using computer for many reasons. We are not limited to compute something. Our use is versatile today. Okay, so uh, I will start about I will start with the programming thing. So uh, we now we know that computer doesn't understand all the numbers and everything. Okay, so computer just understands 0 and 1. So whatever instruction you give to computer doesn't even understand uh, uh, without 0 and 1. Okay, so this is the two thing. This is the two digits a computer understands. Okay, so uh, in the beginning of computing, uh, machine language was there for handling these zeros and ones. Machine language was used that time. Okay, so after time, human realized that it's very tough. So scientists discovered some assembly language. Okay, so assembler was responsible to convert whatever instruction we give to computer. Assembler was responsible to uh, convert this in machine language. Okay, so after a few years, people realized that assembly language is also uh, very hard for human. Okay, so now we know so many programming languages like C, C++, Java, and Python, and many languages are available nowadays. Okay, so we're gonna start learning programming with C. Okay, so our playlist will be based on C programming language. So I hope you will enjoy and stay with me. Okay, keep rocking. Friends, for learning programming C, you need a code editor. So there are so many code editors in internet uh, available. So many code editors. So uh, you can use whatever you want, whichever you want. But I am going to use online code editor for this course. Okay. Online code editor is good enough to continue this course. So if you want, you can install any code editor like CodeBlocks, CodeLight or something. So I'm going to use online code editor. Okay. Now we're gonna write our first code. Okay. So our first code is to write hello world. Okay, this is the first code. I think every programmer or every learner's first code this to print hello world. Okay, so let's start. So you see in our screen uh, there is a line online C compiler to learn C program online. Okay, so this is a comment line, so we don't have to bother about it. The next one is hashtag include, and then inside this studio stdio.h. Okay, So for now, we are not gonna bother about this thing as well. Okay, so this is the main function, integer, and then this is integer. Okay, integer means number, whole number. Okay, main is a function, so we are not going to bother about this as well for the time being. Okay, and then there's a line, commented line. It says write C code here. You have to write your code in here. Okay, and then printf, it's a function. It's a function. It's a inbuilt function of C. Okay, so and then inside of this, uh, hello world is written. Okay, and it's inside of inverted comma as well. Okay, so if we run this one, then we will get hello world. So congratulations, you have learned a new thing. Okay, so yeah, you are a programmer now. Okay, so I'm also just learning. So keep learning with me, and I think you will enjoy your journey. Okay, friends, now we will learn how to add two numbers. It's an addition program. Okay, just like if we want to add 8 plus 8 is 16. So how to do this program? Okay, you see, uh, how to add these numbers in computer. Okay, so first 8 or first any digit, we have to declare a variable, because the numbers we want to add should be in computer memory. Okay, so we need to allocate a place in computer to add these numbers. I hope you will understand when I do this practically. Okay, so let me write the code first, and then I will explain to you. Okay, okay, friends, now we have taken two numbers, x and y. Okay, so these numbers are integer type. So we will have to declare first what types of variable is it. Okay, so I hope you understand what integer is. Integer means whole number. Okay, so integer x, integer y, and integer sum. So why did you declare these variables? Let's say we assigned a value x equal to 20, y 30. This doesn't mean x equal to 20. It means 20 value is assigned in x. Okay, 20 has been kept in x, you can say. Okay, 30 is placed, 30 is kept in y. Okay, so sum is x plus y. Okay, x plus y has been kept in sum. Okay, so now we're going to print this one. So as you've uh, seen in the previous example when we wrote hello world, so like this we are writing sum is then percentage d. So what does that mean? Percentage d means a integer will be printed here. Okay, so this percentage d helps to print this sum. Okay, so for integer types of variable, if we want to print an integer types of variable, we will have to do this. Okay, percentage d, remember that. Okay, so now if we run, then you will get 50. Okay, so if you change the numbers like 60, 30, then you will get 90. Okay, so I hope you've got the idea. Okay, okay, friends, we can express this same thing in this way as well. yours, I hope you see in the screen. So this is another way. Okay, x equals 60. It's not equals. Okay, we've assigned the value 60 in x. Okay, so all of them are integer, so this is why we can write in this way. Hence we have written a program in here. So what do you think would be the output? Okay, so we have taken two variables, both of them are integer types of variables. A, we've assigned 12 in A. Okay, and we said B equals A. I mean B, we've put A in B. Okay, and then we've updated A equals 10. So what would be the output? What do you think? It's a quiz for you. Okay, you try. Okay, now let's run the program. We see B, when you print B, we get 12. Why is it? Because we've put 12 in A, and then A, we've put A in B. Okay, so when we updated A, and then B doesn't get the value of A again. Okay, so I think if you try to understand, it will be easy for you too, I hope. Okay, let's say if we take this one here, now you see you get 10. Okay, friends, that's all for this video. We're going to start again tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow.